Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the cylinder location and firing order of a Mazda CX-5 with a 2.5 liter engine from the years 2019 to 2023. Here we have a very clear example of an engine from that vehicle. To figure out the cylinder location and firing order, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car, open the hood, and look at the front of the engine. The location and order would be as follows. On the left side, you'll find cylinder number 1, followed by cylinder number 2, then 3, and finally cylinder number 4. This layout depends on the situation. In this case, it's when you're standing in front of the engine. This would be your left and this your right. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, meaning the passenger side. Then cylinder number 3 fires. Next, cylinder number 4 fires, which is on the right side. That's the driver's side. Finally, cylinder number 2 fires. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.